Hello everyone, today we'll be replacing the cabin air filters on w124. This is a 94 E320, and one way to know if your car has the cabin air filters is by checking the year. So 94 and 95 production years all have cabin air filters. Compared to other cars in which the cabin air filters are located inside of the glove box, this one is kind of annoying. It's located there, so we're gonna remove this whole thing and take a look at it. So the first thing I did was to remove this weather strip right here, just kind of yank on it and like pull it back. The second one is the weather strip right that goes like from here. So as you can see, I already kind of pulled it back, and you gotta remove the screws. There's only four of it. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that, this white thing right here, you just gotta pull back on it. So give me 1 second. All right guys, I removed the screws, the 4 screws here, and also you gotta remove this cover right here. So you just gotta like pull back on it, and it's pretty easy to remove. Just put it aside. This one, it's a little tricky, not to remove but to install. As you can see here, this thing drains. So when installing this thing, reinstalling back, make sure that you reinstall it correctly, otherwise water is going to drain to other places. All right guys, next one is going to be this one, this screw to remove, and the screw right here to remove. So I'm going to remove it and show it to you. Before you remove this part, you gotta unclip this right here, and also this thing right here. So I'm gonna do it and I'll show you the result of it. Looks like there are also like small clamps here too. I think it's this one and the one here. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, so I took it out here, and also this one here. Looks like there is a screw on this side too, so sorry. So I'm gonna remove it right now. And yeah guys, honestly this is a pain in the ass, but I'm gonna show you something in 1 second. And like this is why it was worth it. So if you actually look here, I really doubt this was ever replaced, because I really had trouble removing the weather strip here. So I mean, I had this car for like 4 years now, and I was too lazy to replace it. But at one point I was like, wait, what if this was never replaced? It's probably very dirty. I mean, just look at it. It's disgusting. Okay, so kind of just wiggle it around so it comes off. This was never replaced, guys. It's kind of... Oh my God. Oh, okay. Jesus Christ, look at this. Look at this nastiness. Oh my God. So there are 2 clips. The top one is fixed, the bottom one is not. So you're gonna move it out like this, and you're gonna slide this bottom one out. Oh my God, this is dirty. Kind of gotta wiggle it a little bit. Okay. It's very dirty, guys. I mean, I don't have any comments here, so I'm gonna put this aside. This one, I think, just, yep, slide it down, and this one's gonna be easier to remove. It's very disgusting, guys. You can see how dirty it is. This is from 30 years old of driving this car. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is definitely original. It's disgusting. So before I do anything else, so this one went in like this on top, so I'll show you how to put in the new one in correctly. Alright guys, so the filters should go, when you put them, they should be like this, but obviously you cannot fit it like this, so you're gonna put the top one first and move it up, and then slide in the bottom one. Like, they have these little grooves here, you gotta line them up and slide it in. Alright, I put the top one in already, and now I'm gonna put the second one in, the bottom one in. I'm gonna try to slide it through here. As you see the little grooves here, right there. I'm gonna slide it through that. Alright guys, I slid back everything in, everything lined up. I put the clip back. Now, the way you put everything back is the reverse of what we just did. One thing to note though, you see this little groove here? Yeah, it's for this part actually. So when you're putting it back, make sure it matches. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.